How to get your Yahoo account back after it has been hacked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Yahoo account back after it has been hacked. If your account is hacked, go to Yahoo's sign-in helper at login.yahoo.com/forgot. Then enter your recovery email or phone number and click Continue. Next, retrieve the verification code sent to your phone or email, enter it, and select your account to sign in. After that, go to Recent Activity in your account settings and check for unfamiliar logins. If anything looks suspicious, change your password immediately. Now enable two-factor verification under Security for added protection. Choose a verification method and follow the steps to set it up. Here, check your recovery email and phone number. Remove any unfamiliar ones and update your details if needed. Next, review your Yahoo Mail settings to ensure nothing has been altered. If you still can't access your account, contact Yahoo customer care through their hotline, Facebook page, or Twitter. Always watch for signs of hacking, like unrecognized logins or emails sent without your knowledge. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.